Welcome, wanderers. I got a suitcase from NOBL. Now, there are a few things in life that I actually spend good money on. There aren't a lot, but there are a few. Luggage happens to be one of them. I think it's important to have a piece of luggage that is stylish, that is super functional, and that is durable. And so I am really excited to be able to test out this NOBL suitcase. I'm getting ready to head out on a 2-week trip to Washington, D.C., and I'm going to be taking this pretty bad boy with me. That isn't doing what I want it to be doing, people, but this will. She comes all wrapped up, safe and sound. As you can see, I selected the beautiful blue color. I love blue. NOBL actually had several color choices, which I think is really great. We all know the majority of suitcases on the baggage claim are black, right? They all look exactly the same for the most part. They're similar size, similar shape. And when they're all black, it's really hard to know which one is yours. So the fact that they offers a rainbow of colors is really nice. They have a beautiful hot pink one, which would definitely make your luggage stand out. It comes with this really nice cover. If you are going to check your bag, this type of cover is great for protecting your luggage, especially if you are going on like an international flight. They don't treat the luggage so great. So to have this cover, also to store it back at home, it's really nice to be able to cover it up, especially if you have to keep your luggage like outside in the garage or something like that. Really nice feature. I don't know if you've noticed, but I put the handle up, it goes down. That's actually an automated spring, which is very convenient as you're going to try and put this in the overhead compartment or load it into your car. It's always the handle, right, that's getting stuck somewhere. So it's great that it just goes straight back down. Side handle, same thing. Really soft though. It's not hard at all. Just quietly closes itself. Very nice feature, NOBL. I'm impressed. On top, we have a TSA approved lock, so you can set your combination and lock your suitcase. TSA would still have access if you are one of the lucky winners who gets chosen for an inspection. And under this little tab here, we have charging ports. We have a standard USB and a USB-C. So you can use this to charge a phone or other small travel devices that you may have with you. So the NOBL suitcase has a lot of really cool features. We have the lock up top, TSA approved. We have our charging ports for phones or laptops. Laptops, I say. Where would I put my laptop? In the secret laptop compartment. So take a look at this, folks. This panel opens up. I have a padded area for my laptop connection in case I wanted to be charging. It connects to a portable charger that stores behind here on the inside of the suitcase. So you can charge from the top, you can charge your laptop while it's in here, and I have some wonderful pockets. I can have a phone in here, I can have my passport in here, any like cords, headphones, all of those things, right? So it's like having a backpack right on the front of your suitcase. You don't have to have yet another bag with you. We have a great extending handle, very smooth up and down, which I appreciate. And then back here, we have a cup holder. You know, you're trying to run through the airport, you've got your Starbies, you got your cup in here, you got your laptop in the front, you don't have to worry about anything, you don't need 12 hands like you normally do at the airport. Look at this, super smooth. They do lock, which is really nice. So sometimes, you know, you're trying to maximize your storage in the back of your SUV on the way to the airport, and you try and stand all your luggage up and it does this the whole way to the airport, smash, smash, smash. These actually lock. So you could keep your suitcase upright in place without it rolling around everywhere. So love that feature. On the side, again, locking combinations on all of our latches to this suitcase. You will notice you are not seeing an exposed zipper. That is how a lot of luggage is broken into. You can just take a pen or any sharp object and pop a zipper. I've seen it on the reels. People talk about it all the time. So it is really nice. This has very beautiful latches that just open up and you are in your suitcase. We have this side which has the straps. So you pack your clothes, you can put your straps so they don't slide around within your suitcase. We have really nice zipper pockets on this side. Really smooth zippers, which actually I really appreciate. And again, another pocket here. Clothes go in. You can put some toiletries. This is a plastic, so you could put shampoos or toothpaste, things that you might be a little concerned might leak while you're traveling, in this safe pocket. Breathable things can go in this pocket, and you are going to be set for an absolutely wonderful trip. This is the only suitcase I'm taking for my 2-week trip, so let's see if we can make it happen. So let's take a moment and talk about packing in the NOBL. You'll see I have about 10 days worth of clothes in the suitcase right now, which is way more than I would normally take, but I'm away at a program, but I was able to get all of my shirts and pants on the side, along with hair dryer and underwear. I have my toiletries here, as well as charging cable in this pocket. Oops, there we go. And then this zipper undoes, right? And we flip over. And some shoes, some socks, some jeans, and some pajamas. So I was literally able to get 10 days worth of clothes into this suitcase, which was great because it's carry-on size. I took it on the airplane, and actually the plane from Monterey to Phoenix is a pretty small plane, and it went up in the overhead without a problem, and then took a big plane from Phoenix all the way to Washington, D.C. So absolutely no issue there, but no issue on the smaller plane, which sometimes you can run into a problem and then they make you gate check it, and that is its own little drama. So far it's performing well. Excited to unpack and start my couple weeks. So this is going to really make my life much, much easier. Thanks, NOBL.